In today's video, we will be talking about cleaning. I know, it's not always the most thrilling topic. To be honest, I have a small confession to make. Even the most organized people occasionally wonder, where did all this clutter come from? You know, those times when you open a drawer and things come tumbling out like a joyful avalanche? We've all been there. But don't worry, my friends, cleaning doesn't have to be a daunting chore. It can be a quick, enjoyable experience that brings peace and order to your home. The key is to simplify, find joy in the process, and remember that even small steps can make a big difference. Let's turn cleaning from a dreaded task into a mindful practice that sparks joy. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? Let's dive into how to deep clean your house fast and easy. Let's be honest, we don't always have hours to spare for cleaning. But guess what? You can achieve a lot in just 20 minutes. Set a timer and focus on one area at a time. Maybe it's clearing off your kitchen counter, giving the bathroom sink a quick scrub, or simply tidying up a messy corner in your living room. The key is to be strategic and focused. Choose tasks that will make a visible difference and elevate the overall feel of your space. Remember, small consistent efforts are the key to maintaining a clean and organized home. Even if it's just for 20 minutes each day, dedicating a little time to tidy up can make a world of difference. And the best part? Seeing your space transform, even in just 20 minutes, can be incredibly motivating and spark joy in itself. Before you grab your cleaning supplies, let's talk about decluttering. It's amazing how much easier cleaning becomes when you're working with a clutter-free space. Start by identifying items that no longer spark joy in your life. Those clothes you never wear, the expired products in your pantry, or the piles of paper that have been sitting on your desk for months. It's time to let them go. Remember, decluttering is not just about discarding items, it's about creating a more peaceful and harmonious living environment. When you surround yourself with things that spark joy, you naturally feel more motivated to keep your space clean and organized. So, before you start scrubbing and polishing, take some time to declutter and let go of what no longer serves you. Your future self will thank you. Baskets are a cleaning superhero in disguise. They are the perfect solution for quick and easy organization. Place baskets strategically around your home to corral clutter hotspots. A basket by the entryway is perfect for shoes and bags, while a basket in the living room can gather blankets and remote controls. The beauty of baskets is that they provide a designated spot for everything, while adding a touch of style to your decor. When it's time to tidy up, simply gather items into the baskets. No need for meticulous sorting or organizing at this point, just a quick sweep to restore order and create a sense of calm. Baskets are a simple yet effective tool to maintain a tidy home without spending hours on end cleaning. Embrace the power of baskets and experience the joy of a clutter-free space. Section 5. High Impact Zones. Prioritize for maximum impact. When time is of the essence, it's crucial to prioritize your cleaning efforts. Focus on what I call high-impact zones, the areas that make the biggest difference in the overall look and feel of your home. Start with the entryway as it sets the first impression. Clear away any clutter, wipe down surfaces, and make it a welcoming space. Next, move on to the kitchen, specifically the countertops and sink. A clean and organized kitchen instantly elevates the entire home. Finally, focus on the bathroom, paying attention to the mirror, sink, and toilet. By tackling these high-impact zones, you'll create a noticeable difference in the overall cleanliness and freshness of your home. Section 6. Tool time. Choosing the right cleaning companions. Having the right cleaning tools can make all the difference in the world. But don't worry, you don't need a whole arsenal of fancy gadgets. Start with the basics. Microfiber cloths, a good all-purpose cleaner, a spray bottle, a scrub brush, and a vacuum cleaner. Microfiber cloths are amazing at trapping dust and dirt, while an all-purpose cleaner can handle most surfaces in your home. A spray bottle filled with diluted vinegar is a natural and effective solution for cleaning windows and mirrors. Invest in a good quality scrub brush for tackling stubborn grime, and a vacuum cleaner with different attachments will make cleaning floors and upholstery a breeze. Remember, the key is to choose tools that are efficient, versatile, and spark joy in your cleaning routine. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit subscribe if you're new here to keep the clutter-free vibes going. Plus, grab your free copy of Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description for a step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life. Let's declutter together. Section 7. Sparkling Surfaces. Quick and easy cleaning solutions. Welcome to our guide on achieving a spotless home with minimal effort. Today, we'll explore some of the best quick and easy cleaning solutions that will leave your surfaces sparkling and your home smelling fresh. Now that you have your cleaning companions, let's dive into some practical and efficient cleaning solutions that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These tips will save you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner home without the hassle. For everyday cleaning, a simple mixture of water and vinegar can work wonders. This versatile solution is not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. You can use it to clean a variety of surfaces from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, making it perfect for cleaning countertops, sinks, and even floors. Its acidic nature helps break down grime and kill bacteria, ensuring your surfaces are not only clean but also hygienic. For stubborn stains, sprinkle some baking soda on a damp sponge and gently scrub the affected area. Baking soda's mild abrasive properties make it an excellent choice for tackling tough spots without damaging your surfaces. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that can help lift away stains without scratching surfaces. It's especially useful for cleaning kitchen appliances, bathroom fixtures, and even removing crayon marks from walls. Another quick and easy solution is to use lemon as a natural cleaner and deodorizer. Lemons are not only great for adding flavor to your dishes, but also for keeping your home fresh and clean. Cut a lemon in half and rub it on cutting boards to remove odors, or use lemon juice mixed with water to clean and freshen garbage disposals. The natural acidity of lemon helps to neutralize unpleasant smells and leaves a refreshing citrus scent. Remember, you don't need harsh chemicals to achieve a sparkling, clean home. Many natural ingredients you already have in your kitchen can be just as effective, if not more so, than commercial cleaning products. Natural solutions are often just as effective and much gentler on both your home and the environment. By using these simple, eco-friendly cleaning methods, you can maintain a clean and healthy living space while also doing your part to protect the planet. To make your cleaning routine even more efficient, consider organizing your cleaning supplies in a caddy or a designated area. This way, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips, making the process quicker and more streamlined. Don't forget to regularly clean high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and remote controls. These areas can harbor a lot of germs, so it's important to disinfect them frequently to keep your home safe and healthy. For an added touch of freshness, you can use essential oils as natural air fresheners. Simply add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to a spray bottle filled with water and mist it around your home. This will not only make your space smell wonderful but also provide the benefits of aromatherapy. Maintaining a clean home doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating these quick and easy cleaning solutions into your daily routine, you can keep your living space tidy and inviting with minimal effort. Remember, a little bit of cleaning each day goes a long way in ensuring a sparkling and comfortable home. Section 8. Maintaining the magic effortless tips for a tidy home. Once you've achieved a clean and organized space, the key is to maintain that blissful state. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be a constant battle against clutter. Incorporate simple habits into your daily routine to make cleaning a breeze. Make your bed every morning. It only takes a minute but instantly transforms the look and feel of your bedroom. Clean as you go in the kitchen, wash dishes immediately after use or load them into the dishwasher. Wipe down countertops and spills as they occur to prevent stains and buildup. Take a few minutes each evening to tidy up common areas such as the living room and entryway. By incorporating these small but mighty habits, you'll effortlessly maintain a clean and organized home. Section 9. A clean home, a clear mind. Remember, cleaning is not just about having a picture-perfect home. It's about creating a space that brings you peace, joy, and a sense of calm. When your home is free from clutter and chaos, your mind is free to focus on what truly matters. Studies have shown that a clean and organized environment can reduce stress, improve focus, and boost creativity. It's amazing how much our physical space can impact our mental well-being. So embrace the transformative power of cleaning. Let go of perfection and focus on creating a space that sparks joy and inspires you to live your best life. Remember, a clean home is not a destination. It's a journey of self-care, mindfulness, and creating a sanctuary where you can truly thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to SmartLife Solutions channel. Don't miss out on your free Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description for a roadmap to a clutter-free life. Let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time.